Hey YouTube, this is Gracie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pin board. Now you may be saying, hasn't that been done like a million times before? You may be right, but I don't think anyone's ever done it with a calendar frame holder, which is what you see in front of you. I'm also going to be using a foam board and some fabric, and I'm going to glue it all together with some EO 6000. So I hope you guys enjoy this journey. Come along with me and see how it turns out. The very first step is to measure the frame. Now this frame is actually supposed to hold a calendar and it slides in from top to bottom. The very first thing I did was I measured the inside of the frame first. So that's approximately 13 by 24 1/4. So 13 wide and 24 1/4 long. The only difference for the board is that you want it to be about 1/4 of an inch bigger than that, so that way it'll slide into that space where the calendar is supposed to go, if that makes sense. But you'll see in the end. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to cut the foam board 13 1/4 by 24 1/2. As you can see, I've made all of my markings and measured twice so that we can cut once. And I actually said the measurements wrong in the beginning. It's actually 14 across. So I measured it at 14 1/4 across by 24 1/4, so then 24 1/2 length, if that makes any sense. So basically just cut your foam board to your frame is all you gotta do. So now I'm going to use my box cutter, which I have here, and I'm just going to cut that, obviously not against your body and not on the floor, so if you're a kiddo, be safe. Now that everything is cut and measured properly, I've already inserted the board into the frame, and I wanted to show you how it just slides in very easily. I left a little bit at the end so I can always replace the foam board later on if I choose to maybe change the fabric out, or if the foam board's just not holding the pins any longer, I can get to that very easily. This is also the point in this project where if you don't want to add fabric and you want it to just be white on white, you can stop here and just put your pins right into the foam board. But the next thing I'm actually going to do is cut the fabric to the exact same measurements, just again a little bit over that size of the foam, so that way I could wrap the fabric around the edges. So that's what I'm going to do now. As you can see, I have already cut the fabric and I have the board underneath it already. This is a orange fabric with gold polka dots that I got from Joann Fabrics. And let me zoom up a little bit closer so you can see it a little better. There we go. And I did iron it, I swear. It's just super wrinkly and I don't know why. I guess it's just been folded for too long. So the next thing I'm going to do is glue it on with the EO 6000, which I have right here. And I'm going to flip the board over and pull the fabric super tight. That way some of these creases will come out, and then I'm going to put a ton of glue in it and smooth it out as much as possible so that way it will slide into the frame properly. The glue finally finished drying and I already put the board inside of the frame, as you can see, but unfortunately some of those wrinkles did not come out even though I pulled the fabric really tight, but that's okay. We're going to cover those up with pins and make it look cute. I'm really happy with how it turned out and I can't wait to put my pins on. It's going to be super fun. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Trying my hardest, as I say all the time, I'm trying really hard to get to 100 subscribers. That's my goal. So hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone who likes to collect pins from Disneyland or Disney World or wherever they like to collect pins. Share this video with them. That would be super cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you stay tuned for next week's video. Have a good day and I'll see you next time. Bye!